Hold, Ponso. Pakita ko. Diyan ka lang. Okay. We're now on top.
Soon.
Soon?
Yeah.
700 more. Just kidding.
So we take the short cap for everyone. We will take the short cap for everyone.
Sounds good.
Okay? We take the short way straight to end the top.
Okay.
Yeah. And then
Because of the winter.
Do you want me to take a picture of you four on my camera? From here, or you tell me when?
Singapore is, you can go around.
You tell me when. I'll take a picture for you. Yeah, no problem.
Yes.
Do you live in Manila?
Tomorrow we're going back.
Yeah.
Yeah, right on.
Actually, my hometown is like 2 hours away from Manila.
Okay.
So if I go back home, I
Is that
usually
north?
no south
South.
of Manila,
Okay.
2 hours south.
Places that you have. Don't forget to go to Temple of Literature, the first university. Yeah, it's beautiful. And then the train coffee. Yeah.
And then don't forget the night market.
Then they've been there.
Ah, you been there?
Lotte Tower. You go to Lotte Mall. Go to the rooftop. It's there's a bar there. And then you can see Hanoi 360 degrees.
Go at night or in the day?
5 p.m.
They open
5 p.m.
5 p.m. till night.
Don't go on the other side. They will ask you to pay $200.
Just go there 5 p.m. so that you can see the sunset. Yeah, it's nice.
Where was that at?
Lotte Hanoi Tower.
Lati Hanoi Tower. Yeah, yeah.
It's in the center.
Time to
of
go?
Hanoi.
No, your other group.
Thanks for the recommendation.
Of course, you can contact me or us. So that
Us
we
too?
can go there.
No,
Yeah,
our group's
Lotte
here.
Rooftop is a nice place. You've never been in Hanoi if you did not go to that rooftop.
You got many children now. You have to pay a lot of child support.
He did. He did pay. Yeah.
Did he pay?
Yeah. After the photo shoot.
After
Money,
the photo,
money, money.
Gimme, gimme, shopping, shopping.
let's go.
Okay.
Let's go, Ponso.
She's following other one.
Yeah, no, because the lady told her to follow.
We're going.
1 minute.
Shortcut.
We will.
So this is the shortcut going up.
Yeah. This way is not too much step. So green.
You go to, because you're vlogging, you go to Yintu Mountain.
Yintu Mountain.
Yeah, the cradle of Buddhism of
Vietnam.
Buddhism.
Vietnam.
Yeah, so after this I'm going to Halong Bay.
Oh, Halong Bay, that's 1 hour trip going to
Yeah,
Yintu.
and then I'm going to Dalat.
Dalat is far.
Oh, great.
That's,
I'm gonna fly.
far. But if I were you, if you have time,
You
you
take
go
the
to
photos
Yintu.
that way up
Yintu,
anyway
okay.
from here.
We climbed the Yintu before for 5 hours. That's 1,900 steps. But there is a cable car going up.
Okay.
You know, it was founded by their king
Yeah.
after defeating the Mongolian,
Yeah.
the Mongols
Yeah, Mongols.
during the war. And then after,
Genghis Khan.
yeah, after that, he decided to be a monk.
Yeah.
And then he converted
To Buddhism.
the army to Buddhism.
Yeah.
And they built that
And then
mountain.
they're the fighting monks.
Yes. How are you?
This is Heaven Gate number 2. As this tourist guide mentioned. I don't know how many Heaven's Gate do we have to enter the heaven, to enter the kingdom of heaven. Oh my gosh! Can you see that? It's really a Heaven's Gate.
Dito na ba tayo?
Ayan,
Tapos,
you see that spot?
after
See? Oh my gosh.
Wow.
it's like Austrian. Austrian art.
See?
When you visit the Philippines, you go to Batanes, you will see.
전 여기서 찍.
This mountain look like
안녕.
dragon head. These guys look like dragon heads.
That one is a
That's why
dragon
it's
head.
called Dragon Mountain.
Dragon head in the back.
Yeah.
Oh, so according to our tourist guide, this is a dragon mountain. The left side is a dragon head, and the right side here is the back of the dragon. That's why it's called the Dragon Mountain.
I think maybe I just take only you. One, two, three. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Look at this.
맞죠? 제 저번에도 뵀잖아요.
Anyone want?
Kuyog, baka kagatin ako.
Ako na.
Ayun nga, ang dami honeybee.
Ako na.
Bees.
This one is a Dragon Mountain.
May
My
pupuyog.
friend. Here. There is
Dragon
now
Mountain.
Dragon Mountain. These guys look like dragon heads, so that's why they call Dragon Mountain. Yes.
Hindi ko alam kung dyan tayo
Want
pupunta.
to take photo from you?
Where are we going now?
We go this way. So we take a photo around here, then we go this way to the. You stand in the middle here. Yeah. There. Yeah. Yeah. Now on you. Stand up, it's okay. Stand up. Yeah. Yeah, like this. Moving back here a bit. Back here, moving. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Yeah, you
Yeah!
He's like photobomb.
Look at the picture. You see me there?
Yeah, you see. Do you want one together?
Go.
You want one together?
10, 9, 8, 7. Okay. Okay. O, talon. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Jump.
Sapa!
Okay. Check the jump. If you did jump.
Thank you.
1, 2.
Ay, ang ganda. Thank you.
No, that's the name. Hamrong.
Oh, same. Ako din. Dali, habang wala pa sila.
Dragon head, right?
Yeah.
Hamrong. Dragon head.
Yes.
So where the sea's breathing fire right now.
1, 2, 3.
The dragon's breathing fire.
One more. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Breathing fire.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's true.
Ay, ang ganda. Tingnan.
The fire, you see? Oh, cool. Their foggy is look like fire. Ow.
Ang ganda.
Okay.
Send ko sa'yo.
Mamaya na, sa bahay.
Đúng là cả đội mình đứng vào trong này luôn. Ngồi đây luôn, chẳng phải đứng đâu. Ngồi đi. Ngồi.
Ganda oh. No? Ganda oh.
You want picture? Oh, go. 2. Okay. Ah, 4 of you. Okay. Ready. Một, hai, ba. Hey. Một, hai, ba. Waki. Okay. Một, hai, ba. Một, hai, ba. Okay. You check.
Thank you.
There's a banana flower over there. You can pick it up.
Wow.
It's right over here behind the stone.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Yeah, it's
Thank
very
you.
cool.
Let's see the banana flower according to our friend. Where are you?
Here.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
我们그在这里45天出差了。出差了。所以我们是红色，不是闪送나무가。我们是
나무가没听过哎。
摄像头，摄像头。
摄像头的厂啊，摄像的供应商。
所以我们45天出差了，然后
It's a banana tree. Banana flower, sorry. There.
休假的时间，所以休假，所以我们
Oh, with the bee. See? Oh. Let's see the bee.
我们 company 在普陀，
韩国吧。
很近韩国，在越南，所以我们是同事。一个半小时。从哈诺到普陀1个半小时。
海防不是，不是海防，海防是海防，后，它是不同。